Morning and welcome back to another vlog. In this video I am going to be heading off to a studio called Town, and I spotted this when I went to interview Anna Carolina, and it just looked like a studio where they had different workshops, and I thought to try out one. So the one I booked for my intern and I is for weaving fabric, like with a loom, and I'm just so excited, and I'm taking you guys along with me today. So we're heading off to Hackney now, and it's meant to go from 2 to 4, so like a good 2-hour session, and I'll show you guys what we get up to. Okay, now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and join the KD Vassom if you haven't already, and with that being said, let's head off to Town. Exactly.
Customer service update. D9 has some big delays between Acton Town and Cottbus to supply the delayed creamer train cancellation.
Here we are, we've arrived, and I'm like 5 minutes late, and it's just on Cheltenham Place in Hackney. Just going to go right in. Maz is going to be next to me over there, and I'll be here. Cool. Go on, Maz. Pick one. That one?
Cool.
Yeah.
I don't know, girl, or this one, or you know, the glittery burgundy darker, or the black, just because it's. So
I quite like this one actually.
It's really beautiful.
Very festive. Or the silver one over there. We're just choosing yarns. So how many should we get? Like 2, 3?
2 to 3 to start with is great. Then we'll get started and I'll show you how to weave, and then
Of course.
Okay. Pink. Oh. That one is so pretty. Okay, I want that one. Texture. Let's see, there's another one here I liked.
I mix black and neon.
Okay, looks good. I am going to do pink.
And silver.
Pink and silver. She said we can add more colors as we go along. That's my machine. So this is what the setup looks like. Lots of thread. And these are the colors I'm going to be starting off with. A fairy pink, a lavender, and a grey. And let's see what we end up with. finding some more yarn, and I'm using this pink fluffy one. It just looks so soft. If the camera is moving up and down, it's because I'm winding winding behind the camera. Wind and wind. That's how far I've come. Just that much. Gonna add some pink ones afterwards, and any other color that I like. How much I've made so far is there. And I'm gonna add some of these, that lavender, the pink, and that one there, to make something like that. Ooh, okay. All of them so far. Some pink, purple, these pom-poms. Are you proud of your work?
Of course.
Nah. Good choice of
It's
color.
so fluffy.
I know, it just makes you want to touch it.
Touch it, touch it.
Yes, I am. Touching it.
It's cool because for me it's an experimentation for my exam.
Is it?
For the June.
Oh,
So
that's
it's
good.
cool. I can just practice.
The Chris and Kate song, sorry. I'm going home on time.
Whoa. Nice.
Well, that's the thing. Yes, yeah. It's got different textures.
Okay, so that's like to prepare it for the next person that got it.
And this is one that hasn't been spun, so it's all plastic. Yeah, so it's amazing technique. It's actually quite easy to go through this. I've no idea. Yeah, there we go.
Just tied little knots to prevent it from unraveling. This is mine all done. Lots of pinks, purples, and yellows. Ooh. Nice.